What is up, guys? Welcome back to Wroclaw, Poland. Today's video, as you can see, is not starting in my apartment because I was out earlier exploring without my camera and I found some stuff I wanted to film. So that is why. Also, I apologize if it's a bit windy at times. I was charging my camera and I left my apartment in a hurry and I forgot my wind slayer, so it may be a bit windy. So you may be wondering, what is the rush? And the answer to that is I found some churches when I was out walking around that I want to show. But it is just past 5 p.m. here in Wroclaw, and it's a Monday, and I don't know what time the church is closed. So I'm kind of in a rush to get back over there before they close. That way you guys can see the inside of them. Well, I'm very glad that church was still open because the inside of the church is stunning. It's a very beautiful church. Like, really one of the most beautiful churches I think I've ever seen. St. Mary's Basilica in Krakow is probably about the same as that one in terms of beauty, but it's close. So, and there's a viewpoint I'm going to walk to now to show you, where you can get a great view of not only that church but another church in the area from across the river. Look at this church and the fountain, and there's the church that I was inside of. Just bought a bottle of water. Comes in these glass bottles, and this was 8 zloty, which is about $2 US. And that view I want to show you is just right over here. And here's the view. So the church with the 2 towers there is the one that I was inside of. What a beautiful area. So today is my last day in Poland. Tomorrow I'm actually going to a new country for me, and I have 90 Polish zloty left in bills. I have like 10 zloty in change, but in bills I have 90. And as you guys know, I've been to Poland before, so I already have zloty at home for my currency collection, so I don't really need to keep any this time. I might keep it 10, but that means I still have 80 zloty left that I need to spend at some point today, so we'll see what I spend this money on. Alright guys, so that pizza I had was pretty good, and the lady, I was not able to pronounce the name of the pizza because it was in Polish, of course, and that is a Polish word that I did not know how to pronounce, so I had to spell it out letter by letter to her, but she was then able to figure out what I wanted. So kind of a shout out to her because she was patient with me about it. The pizza was good, and it was, for the pizza and the water, was 50 zlotys, which is about 13 US dollars. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and end the video here because tomorrow I have a early train. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video, so hopefully you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.